Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd, and it finally happened. After a troubled launch and a long waiting period, the Elegoo Saturn has finally hit Amazon as well as other places to be sold. Well, sort of. The stock sells out extremely fast, so just keep in mind and keep watching the Amazon stock to see when it's back in stock. The launch of the Elegoo Saturn has been troubled to say the least. From an extremely limited pre-order section to extremely long shipping times for those pre-orders, as well as a lot of quality control issues that have been since addressed by Elegoo. So hopefully all of those quality control issues are addressed and there will be no further issues for the ones that hit Amazon. I mean, it's sad to say, but it's true that the people that get pre-orders are often the beta testers. Some of these things that were addressed were the build plate issues. Now, there was a earlier build plate that was slightly smaller that was easily chipped and often arrived chipped to people. Now, they have since addressed that and changed the build plate, but it is unfortunate for those who were originally shipped with the slightly smaller and easily damaged build plate. Speaking of, I did actually get the updated build plate. Originally, I was shipped with the one that they started the machine with. And I will be doing a comparison video probably next week with that, so keep your eyes out for that one. I did find it interesting exactly how much more brittle the other one was and easily damaged compared to their new and updated one that they're hopefully shipping with all their machines now. Now, I didn't just want to do a news video, I wanted to also show off some awesome prints, because what's having a 3D printer if you don't actually use it? So these are some awesome files made by Photusmint. I subscribed to his Patreon, so that's how I got access to some of these. And there's an awesome Gandalf, as well as a Balrog from Lord of the Rings. He's done a full model figure for each of these now, so I'm pretty tempted to print the full model, although these busts are awesome and the detail's just amazing. So I'm definitely tempted to make those full models, so stay tuned to see if that actually happens. Like I said, it's a great figure, and I'm really happy with all the detail that you can see in it. I will be keeping you guys updated for the Elegoo Saturn. You can check my Twitter, Build Nerd video. I'll be posting things maybe when they come back in stock, and any other updates that I see. Hopefully Elegoo has finally fixed all of the quality control issues so that now they can just deliver a great product. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.